So hello, my name is Reverend Hannah Rothland. I'm the founding minister of Thought Nature Ministries. This ministry is dedicated to creating a world that works for all life by guiding, educating, and inspiring our New Thought community members to reconnect with nature and remember that nature is the body of God, the body of the Creator. So New Thought Nature Ministries, it has a mission and purpose of creating opportunities for people to reconnect to nature by offering speaking and workshops, offering simple nature retreats, spirit in nature gatherings, and also Vision Quest programs.
I just felt my body relax as soon as I got out of the car and started walking towards the tree area and the service began, the meditation. I just felt myself go deeper into a place of ease and relaxation and heart than I would normally go at a church with walls. And this, we just was so touching. I cried for about half of the service. So I don't know what else to say. Just this is an idea whose time has come, and I'm glad to be a part of it, and I look forward to seeing it grow.
I just attended Reverend Hannah's wonderful New Thought Nature Ministry here in Point Reyes, and it was really a wonderful experience of reconnecting with myself, with my truth. It's also been a powerful healing to be out here in nature. Nature really helped me remember who I am at my core, and of course the music and Reverend Hannah's words were inspirational and very powerful.
just to be able to be, just to be able to come to this place where we could just be in nature, sitting under the canopy of trees and looking around at the beautiful bay trees and just the form that it takes and the artistry of God that you get to just take in while you're talking about and hearing about and being reminded of the grandeur of nature and the true spirit of God that is in everything, that's all around you, and just to be putting your feet on the ground, the dirt, and to be seeing the blue sky, just connected to the earth, connected to nature, and to share in spiritual community while you're doing this. It's just so rich, and so you feel connected to people, connected to the earth, the trees, the breeze that's blowing. It's profound. It's a wonderful, joyful experience that I don't even have words for yet, because it really was very meaningful to me to be here.
This whole concept is, so inviting to me, because where can I bring my little beloved four-legged one, get an opportunity to be in the biggest church in the world, nature itself, and then get to go and on a hike after. I mean, it's everything that I love. It's my spiritual community, being outdoors and sharing time with my little buddy here. I mean, I couldn't ask for a more perfect combination. And I can't wait to have this grow and grow and grow.
Right, so thank you for joining us today, even if you're watching online. We can have a larger circle of those who feel and see and love spirit in nature. So we include you in our circle for those of you who are watching this online. And as you see our celebration today, and just invite you to consider to check out our website and the schedule of Spirit in Nature gatherings around the Bay Area. And also, if you feel called to support this ministry, there is a donate button online to give your gifts and donations so that we can continue to offer more nature activities, more nature gatherings, and this idea of guiding, educating, and inspiring our New Thought community members to connect with nature as the body of the Creator. And thank you for being with us today, and we look forward to seeing you in person out in nature for future activities.